Welcome back to the channel. Today Brian and I are at home. We've been busy the last 2 weeks filming other videos and not really being at the house. So today we want to get some cool drone shots of both of the cars. Hopefully you guys saw an earlier video. We were out on the water with the drone. Definitely a pretty cool toy to have. But as you can see, both of the cars right now are on battery tenders because we tried to start them a couple days ago and we got nothing because we haven't been driving them often, which kind of stinks. But fingers crossed that they start today because we want to get some pretty sweet footage today. So yeah, why don't you, which car do you want to start with first?
I'll try mine. It's been running good. I haven't driven it in 6 days because actually the last month I've been grocery shopping on the bike every time.
My car, on the other hand, I drove it for a couple weeks and then I let it sit for 4 or 5 days. And then on the Cars and Coffee event, if you guys were there or saw the car, that was the first time I brought it to Cars and Coffee wrapped. It did not start that morning, but the rest of the day it was fine. And then a couple days ago, it kind of just died. So
yeah,
if the batteries die, they die quickly.
I went to try it yesterday. Like the electronics work, but
yeah,
it doesn't turn over or anything.
So I'll just stand back here. So if there's no cold start. Okay. Well, his car did not start 2 days ago, I think, and that's why we had it charging. I don't think his is as dead as my car, so fingers crossed that my car starts up. Otherwise, I'm probably getting a new battery today. The weird thing is that we switched the battery tenders, so I have yours now because I don't think mine was working on my car. A good sign though is that the dome light is on.
It wasn't on.
It wasn't on last time or last night. All my electronics have worked, so it's never been that dead.
Yeah, it's never been, I guess flat.
But I can't put my windows down.
Yeah.
I can't put my windows down, so.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
Dang. Well, this is deader than dead.
This is deader than dead, so.
Will that window close? Yeah. The window
they just
doesn't.
don't go up. So I have to figure out, I'm sure it's just all of these here.
Well, they had it out when you had your inspection on an Audi, because you guys saw the frame and everything.
That was a long time ago.
Yeah.
That was over a year ago.
Yeah.
But yeah, I should be able to pop all these out. This is actually not all that bad. Just figuring out how to pop this out around the actual trunk liner here. I'm not sure if this back piece here has to come out or not yet. I'm not sure if there's anything on the back there. I'm hoping there isn't, but I'm probably gonna have to remove this farther than I have it already. Yeah, I've actually never looked at what this is.
Oh, you got an air compressor.
Huh. I didn't know I had that. Audi air compressor. Interesting. Do you know what I mean? If we can pull this in, then we have clearance. See that?
Okay.
Now.
Hold on. This is full.
Yep. Okay. Yep. So what we didn't show you guys is the emergency release. On the inside is this huge module here. That's what was getting hung up on this part here. So we just loosened it from the inside of the trunk to be able to pull it through, as you can see. Look at the size of that battery. Holy crap.
That's
Well,
massive.
everything else looks good. Ready?
That's not that bad.
I want to know how old the battery is because I'm the second owner of this car. The car is 10 years old now. Is there anything on the side at all? Nothing would be on the bottom, right? I thought this would be it here, but I don't even know what that means.
We tried jumping the car and it wouldn't start, like recently.
Yeah.
So, I don't know.
We'll see. Hopefully it's just the battery and that's an easy fix. But there you go. Front end of an R8 with no battery. So leaving the battery store now, we are actually pretty surprised. That was the original battery from my car, meaning it lasted 10 years. How crazy is that?
That's insane.
So the original battery, 10 years and 42,000 miles later, it has died. It didn't even have enough for them to test it. That's how dead it was. All right, so I had 3 options to go with. One was a brand new battery for around $170. There was a blemished battery that was about $65. What was option 3?
Option 3 is a used battery of the original for like $30 or $40.
You mean the exact battery I had?
Yeah, a used one.
I didn't hear him say that.
Yeah, it was just a used version of it.
Okay, so I went with the blemished battery for $65. It has a 6-month warranty on it. So while I didn't go with a brand new battery, if this one has issues, not only can I get it replaced, but if I had to buy another one outside the 6 months, it would still cost less than one brand new battery. And he said it should last anywhere between 4 and 5 years.
One thing with the blemished battery, it still is actually a new battery. It just could be like the casing had a defect or something. So
yeah, so
cost effective.
now I just have to drive my car, so that way it doesn't go dead. One thing I forgot to mention too is this battery is like, what, an inch or two shorter in length. So it should still fit. He was able to look up the dimensions and everything for the R8.
Yeah, I think you said like it's like 1 cell shorter, which...
What is a cell other than?
Like the battery cell, I guess.
Yeah.
So there's physically less mini batteries all inside of it, I guess.
But it's still just as good, right?
Yeah. And I guess one thing we've learned, since we're not driving the cars every single day, they should stay on the battery tenders. Being a smaller battery, weight savings.
Yeah.
So actually, this is a performance battery.
Yeah.
High performance.
We're saving what, 10 ounces?
Maybe 11 ounces.
Ooh. Moment of truth. Time to fire this up. And hope I made the right choice.
I believe that's like a 2-week cold start. But she roars the light finally.
So let's take it and get it tested now that it's running. Make sure the alternator and everything is good.
Yeah.
That's pretty much it.
So yeah, everything's tight. Cool. I said that's like what, a 2-week cold start, pretty much?
Yeah, pretty much. It's been
dead.
sitting longer than this video's been made, which is not good.
What does that mean?
We've been too busy that we haven't been able to get to it. It's just been sitting in the garage.
Oh yeah, we were gonna do this. What?
We were gonna do this last week.
Yeah.
Like last Tuesday.
We didn't have
Today
time.
is Wednesday.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Well, 10-year-old car, not too bad.
There we go.
At least we'll see if everything's good, and then we'll get this out. And hopefully this does start, because this was dead too, but then it ran for 5 minutes and now it's not running right now, so
yeah.
Hopefully that starts and then yours should be good and we'll get some drone clips.
Yes.
So turn off like headlights, radio, air conditioning, anything like that, turn everything off.
Yep.
Alright, let it idle. Turn on your high beams. Okay, your blower binder on high. Alright, so it says rev it and hold it in. Go ahead. Right there, just hold it, hold it. It says no problems with your alternator.
Well, that's all good news. Now that the R8 is all put back together, we're gonna make sure that the GT-R starts up now because we didn't let it run. All right, now on to the drone shots.